Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to talk about the Pathfinder bottle set and the Centerline Systems bottle pouch. I was looking for a nice thing to hold my bottle pouch that I bought from Pathfinder and a few other little items. And I looked hard and low for something nice, but I wanted something rugged, you know, and I looked at all the items you could get on Amazon and eBay and looked at a few places that did some custom work and came across this little company called Centerline Systems. And they got a nice little logo here. But made a pouch. Now, this is sort of a two-part review in the fact that, yes, I'm reviewing this pouch, but I'm also reviewing the kit because I haven't done one on it yet, really. And just give you an idea of what, you know, kind of stuff that I carry. Anyway, let's open this up. First thing you notice, this little thing right here pops off. You can also undo the straps on this if you want to. Nice little carry strap. Has a molly type loop thingy here that you can hang pouches or, you know, do whatever you want to with it. It's good, strong, you know, bits to hold the fabric together. The stitching is real good. But other than that, nice little strap. And this is held on here by these little clips. You can take these off if you want. I just leave them on there because they're nice and handy. But anyway, let's pull the bottle out. See, I've already used a little bit, getting banged up, got dirt all over it. A little water in there. Need to put more water in there. Cup. Bought this. This was an accessory. It looks like it would come in handy if I needed to hang the bottle or hang the pot. You can do it with that too. Or you can use a little chain or something there. I don't use a chain. I've got that. Thinking about getting one, but can't get around it. I also bought the stove for the bottle kit. And nice little stove. It's a round version similar to the old canteen cup stoves. And I got my lid for my cup. It's a little dirty because the water and stuff, dirt gets up in there. Anyway, it's easy to wipe off. It's got the holes for straining. Little slits, so, you know, if you're running a chain thing in here, you know, whatever you're doing. And at the very bottom, I keep a millbank bag because this is great for filtering water. You know, getting the gunk out of it and whatnot. I'm sure you've seen these before. Doesn't hurt to have one. I just keep it folded up in the bottom. I'm going to put that back here a little bit. Let me show you. The inside of this is lined with plastic. There's a drainage hole, and Just shit that down in there and get that out of the way. Anyway, front pocket's got a big, huge pocket. Now, you can put various things in here. It's just kind of an example of what you can put in here. I got a little spice packet thingy. You know, it's got salt, pepper, you know, paprika, a little bit of, what is that, curry powder, you know, something to spice up a meal if you got it. Keep a few drink packets in here. You know, I've got some A&W root beer and some Tang, and you know, another thing I'm probably going to start putting in there is some Nun tablets. Haven't done too much with them yet, but something for a little bottle of soy sauce. You can swap it out for a bottle of Tabasco. I got some waterproof, some water purification tablets, because sometimes you can't start a fire and you know, to boil water, so these are handy to have. A pair of chopsticks for eating. You know, learning to use chopsticks is pretty easy. You know, you just takes a little bit. These are titanium chopsticks. You can put a spoon in here. In fact, I usually carry around a spoon on the side here. One of these little molly strap thingies here. Some cordage. I use bank line. 550 cord takes up a little too much space, and I don't know. You can get, if you're buying Cataluta, it's almost the same test weight. You know, and for shelters, this is fine. You know, I'm doing lashing. Carry fire steel. John Wayne can opener, as they call them, P38. Little clip if I need to clip this to my belt. Some trioxane tablets, the old military surplus ones. Hexamine tablets, or whatever they are. These tried and true, and they work. Got a little pocket bellows. You know, if it gets, if I have to start get a fire going. Any more hexamine tablets? I usually carry around 3 or 4 of them. And I got a little British Army pocket knife. It's got a nice big square blade on it. Great for cutting cordage. It's got a can opener on it, the old school style one. And you can sharpen this end right here and use it as a scalpel. In a pinch. Good little knife. I love this design. And flat bit for a screwdriver. Got a nice marlin spike on it for working with knots and rope. And it's well made. Genuine British issue knife. And basically that's what I got in this pouch. Now all this stuff fit in there. You could, you know, put other items in there if you don't want the trioxane. You can do that. You can put a fishing kit in there, a compass, whatever. But it basically, you know, you can make a little self-sufficient survival setup in there. You know, where you just go off in the woods and you know, you got everything you need to build shelter and prepare food and, you know, hunt fish and put some traps in there, you know, whatever you want to put in there. It makes your time in the woods easier. You know, you got your containers, you got a stove, you know, you got everything you need. Now, Pathfinder set, I can give my review on this of sorts. The Pathfinder gear is very good quality stuff. I use the bottle kit and stuff quite often. It's very well made stuff for stainless steel. It's light. I know some people hem and haw, maybe, you know, or maybe it's not made in the USA or whatever. Well, you can't find this stuff in the USA anymore. You know, if you want it, you got to buy what's available, and you know, this is some of the best stuff you can get that isn't, that, you know, that might not be made in the USA. You know, Pathfinder products, they have a very good quality control. You know, Dave, he's a stickler about that kind of stuff. You know, as I would be too if I was putting my name on something. But, you know, I recommend it. It works. You know, the pots are functional and lightweight. You know, it's good stuff. In fact, in a lot of cases, some of his stainless steel stuff weighs the same as the titanium stuff, but it's still strong. I'm not quite sure what alloy they're using and so forth, but for stainless steel, it works great. It keeps clean. And, you know, he's got lots of accessories for these items. But anyway, you know, I recommend the Pathfinder stuff. And I recommend the Centerline Systems pouch. You know, let me talk a little more about this pouch. You know, its straps are well done. The guy that makes these does them custom colors. You know, if you want OD green and coyote straps, he'll do coyote straps on the OD green. If you want coyote brown, you know, bag and OD green stripes, he'll do that. If you want camo straps and you know, all sorts of different mixtures and combinations of colors, you know, he'll do it. He makes each bag by hand. You know, they're made, each bag is made by hand, and the owner actually calls you and makes sure that your order is correct. I found that to be kind of good. You know, not a lot of manufacturers will do that anymore. You know, and he basically said, "Here's my number. Call me if you have any problems with these." You know, so he's that personable about it. The only thing I need to warn you about is that it can take quite a long time for these to be made. He's swamped with work, and it's first come, first served basis, and it may take 6 months to get this pouch. You know, this is not something you order and expect it to show up in a week. You know, it's a custom, well-made item, most bespoke, as they say, and you know, you may have to wait a while to get it. You know, but he will call you when your name comes up in the list and discuss any, you know, make sure everything is okay. You know, I was quite happy with the service, and I like this bag. It's a good bag, and I will be using this lots and lots and lots. I'll leave the company name and website for this place in the description below, and you know, hopefully this will fit your needs if you're looking for something. He has other stuff too. I've got another bag of his that I'm going to do a review on. Bag called the Burrito. He also makes knife and saw, and axe cases, and just various pouches, straps, harnesses, belts, you name it. You know, he makes it. So, you know, something to look at on his website. But yeah, I think his website centerlinesystems.com. CLSgear.com. It says right here on the pouch. So CLSgear.com, CenterlineSystemsGear.com, and you know, give them a try, check his stuff out, whatnot. Anyway, thank you very much, and if you have any questions about this stuff, you know, ask me, or just go to the manufacturer of these websites. They love to answer questions. You know, Pathfinder You know, the Pathfinder store will you can give them a call and they'll answer any question you got. You can go to this guy's website, give him a call, he'll answer any question you got on these gear items. And they'll be truthful with you. They're not going to lie to you or, you know, make a claim that isn't true.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.